So hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. As you see, today is another Cooking with Kendra, and we're gonna be making an easy, really quick meal that you can make in your 20s that won't take too long, and while it's cooking you can go do other things so that, you know, it's ready when you're ready. So let's get into it. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. Jasmine rice. It's just like, I've used some of it, so it's just like the leftover that I have left. I went to a farmer's market today and I got these really cool, sweet, like long, skinny peppers. I don't know, I've never had peppers like this, but I really do like snacking on sweet peppers. They're really good for you and they're just good. So I'm excited to try this. And then our protein is going to be the Mandarin orange chicken from Trader Joe's. And this stuff, it's so easy, it's so good. It takes like 20 minutes to cook. I think this whole thing will probably take like 20 minutes to prep and be done. So let's get started. So I have no idea how to roast peppers. I think what I'm gonna do is, like, they're pretty good raw. I may just like saute them a little bit and then, I don't know. What should I, like, what do you do with peppers? I tried to search like on YouTube some videos of people roasting peppers, but there wasn't really any, like, roasting just takes a little bit too long for me. So I might just saute them in a pan, like cut them kind of small and saute them in the pan, maybe add some sausage. I don't know. But I'm probably gonna just cut them up a little bit and fry them. But let's put the chicken in the oven. Oh, and look at my flowers. This flower literally looks perfect. But I got these at the farmer's market this morning. They're so pretty. They smell so good. And then these little green ones, I forgot what they're called, but I got them from Trader Joe's. So pretty though. Here's the finished product. I've had this a billion times. It's just the first time with me making the peppers, but I usually do the chicken, the rice, and then like a side salad. So let me know if you guys try this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you took something away or learned something or actually want to try this. Let me know if you do, please. And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I love making videos for you guys, all the people that enjoy them. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day, and I hope something amazing happens to you after you watch this video. Bye guys. By the way, the peppers with the sausage and the seasoning and the sauteing, and amazing. Y'all need to try this. It's so good for you. It's so good, and it's an easy way to eat your vegetables. All right, love you guys.